Have you ever wished for long and lush lashes that make your eyes pop? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you the best mascara products that will give you eye-opening results. Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you about the best mascara products for long and lush lashes. Mascara is an essential part of any makeup routine, and it can make a huge difference in the way your eyes look. But with so many different mascaras on the market, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. That's why I've done the research and compiled a list of the best mascaras for long and lush lashes. Let's start with the classic, Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. This mascara has been around for decades and is still one of the most popular mascaras on the market. It's affordable, easy to use, and gives you long and lush lashes. Another great option is L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This mascara is a bit pricier, but it's worth it. It gives you dramatic volume and length, and it's smudge-proof and waterproof. For a more natural look, try CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. This mascara is lightweight and gives you a subtle, natural look. It's also affordable and easy to use. So there you have it, the best mascaras for long and lush lashes. I hope this video has been helpful and that you found the perfect mascara for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for 2 videos every day for free. Thanks for watching.